in a world swallowed by cold metal and artificial skies. I run. The machines hunt what's left of us. They've changed me. I duck into the ruins of an old forest, where silence feels sacred, where ancient memory still lingers in the soil. When my hand hits the ground, it breathes back. Vines coil around my skin, wrapping me in the earth's armour. The machines find me, their lights flicker, the scent of rust and oil spreading through the air. The planet pulses through my veins now as I look back. They wanted a world of metal. Instead, they woke Mother Nature through me.